This is Maria from Maria's Garden in Punta Gorda, Florida. And the sun is very bright. Oof. Anyway, always attach your hands before working with your plants. Today I'm gonna show you how to separate the aloe plant. Look how beautiful. I just touch these things and this thing just grows. I don't understand. It's just like I keep repairing because they just keep growing. So like this one is way overdue. The mama, you can see the mama, is this the mama? This is the mama and this is a mama. And all these rest of the ones are babies. They just need room to go. So this is what you do. Okay? It's not easy. You don't want to break anything. Oh, and by the way, I want to say hi to Maria. She's so upset last night. She broke her plant, her aloe plant by accident. But I tell Maria, don't worry about it. Look what all we have. If the case comes, I send you a piece. So this is what you do, okay? Take a little bit here, and this is ready to plant, okay? Just put it there. This is what you do to separate it. And this is how you can give it to friends. Just like this, okay? So very easy. Don't throw anything away, recycle. This is ready like this. And see how easy? Just clean them a little bit. Just like this. And they're ready to be planted. And I usually put them in a little basket and I give it to friends or people that come here. And don't throw anything, because even the little ones, the tiny little babies, they will make it. Because I never had one, the root rot or die. So they're very safe. This is what you do. This is just take 1 or 2 in the bottle, you know, like this, or 3 maybe, like this. Okay? And this is the mama. So what you do with the mama, just take all the babies, clean it up a little bit, just pull it down. Or the best thing is pull it to the side, that way you don't break the plant. If you pull it down, sometimes the plant, just pull it to the side, like that. And this is ready. This is a mama. This is ready to restart for babies. This needs a big pot, okay? And this is small one. You always have to clean them a little bit. I don't throw anything. Everything makes it. I don't know why, but it doesn't matter how little they are, they always make it, okay? So that's how it is. So that's how you separate it. You see, like this one, this, if you got it, this needs to be clean. Break into the side, that way you don't break the plant. Break into the side, and this is ready. You see that? Okay. Other thing I was gonna tell you about is one of my viewers sent me a message and said, Maria, we eat a lot of olive, my wife and I. He said, and the way to do it for the olive not to be a little that funny taste the olive has, what you need to do when you cut it, this is what you need to do. When you cut it, he told me, you get it like this and leave it 24 hours. And then by you leaving it like this 24 hours, the sap, you can see the yellow sap already coming leaking. You see that? See that? You see the sap coming down? So the sap comes down, and the next day doesn't taste like any taste. That's what he said. You do. You hang like this somewhere, newspapers in here, and all the sap comes down. It bothers you. Doesn't bother me. Okay. So I'm gonna hang this somewhere to eat it. How's that? Later and test it. I tested the other day, and he's right. Without the sap, the aloe tastes better. But anyway, here it is. So what you do, I don't know, it's a different type of aloe. The one that I really like is this green one. It's very nice and very easy to eat and gentle. I'm not too sure about the dark green. The dark green is okay, but it's not more for eating. It's more for decoration. Has a nice oh, this break is okay. Has a nice orange, beautiful flower, big, the dark one. This one has a little flower, but not too big. You see, this was the mama that produced all these pups. And now we are replant her somewhere, take care of her, because she gives us all kind of little babies right now, okay? So this is what you do. It's like this. Look at that, we have hundreds now. From one plant, you're gonna see what we got, okay? This mess, I'm gonna clean it later because I gotta show you something else. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I like these salads. Well, see, when you grab it like this, anything that is broke, anything that to the side, never down because you break the plant. Oh, here is other mama. Look at this. I guess I put 3 mamas in one container. So we just clean this. All this is good. If you want to clean all this and hang it upside down and eat it, that's fine. Look at these babies. So anyway, Maria, don't worry about it. Your plant broke. I sent you some and you started. So, but what I tell you last night to do with the plant will work. So, just like this. Just like this. Look at how fast I am. Oh, and who's this guy over here following me? What do you do?
Leave some candy for me, or
He wants
beware
candy.
of what you see.
He wants candy. I don't have any candy for him. He's been following me all day. He's funny looking. Anyway, this is it. This is it. I just want to clean it to show you how easy it is to have a tray full of these babies and you just pass them to your friends. You don't need only one to start or 2. You need just like this to start your plant. This type of the olive just cannot start growing. So all these over here can be watched and you can consume it. After you watch it later, I'm just gonna put it on the side and I'm gonna sort it out later because I need to show you something else. So this is it, okay? So look at this. We have a container full of olive. You can give it to your friend, just 2 pieces like this. Okay, here it is, have an olive. Here it is. Last time I have a tray full, I just put 3 and people don't only need to take 1 like this. They don't need to go buy in the store and what, $6-7 for nothing. They have pieces like this. So what you do after that, I have this all bucket over here. So what you do is go like this, and I have some soil over here. Put them there. Okay, that's it. There's 1 there, and then you get a couple more. That way it looks nice and full. And put it here. Just like this, okay? And guess what? The asthma code 1414 slow release is FDA approved. Means you can use it in vegetables, okay? It's safe to use in vegetables and fruits and anything. So you go like this, there you go. And that's all you need to do. And then I usually don't put any fertilizers or any osmocode. If you like to, you can put that because it's safe. I call the company and I verify everything and it's good. Okay, so this is it. You have all here. Next thing you know, this is full, and then you have all the plant. Okay, so like these little pieces over here, they have just eating like this for breakfast. They don't bother me at all. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. Until next time for Maria's Garden. Bye bye.
Welcome. Don't be afraid.